Greetings, everyone. Eli here with another Monday Memo. I won't be before you long, so let's get into it.
Okay.
Your real estate license renewal period starts November 1st and will end December 31st, 2023. If your license expires, you will not be able to conduct any business that requires the license. If your license is inactive, you must still renew your license to maintain your inactive status to avoid reinstatement fees.
No!
Yes.
On October 26th, YPN is hosting its second annual Halloween party. It's at the Ghost Town Museum at 6:30 p.m. The cost is $66. There will be a costume contest for Best Solo, Best Duo, and Group. The event is public, so bring your friends, but adults only. This year's installation and member recognition event is November 3rd at 5:30 p.m. The cost is $130, and the dress code is cocktail attire. To reserve a seat, register on your member portal. What are you doing on October 11th? Join Doug Barber for Water Laws for Real Estate Brokers. See what I did there?
Got him!
Come learn about sources of water, water quality, water rights, lakes, rivers, and much more. This course costs $40 for members. It will be live in the PPAR training room from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., and you will receive 4 CE credits. Cybersecurity is a hot topic these days, and PPAR's Director of Technology, Sean Blumenhein, is here to help translate it to the Realtor world. You'll learn about stolen credentials, security options, areas of vulnerability, ransomware, and more. This course is on October 17th from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. It costs $40 for members and will be live in the PPAR training room. You will receive 4 CE credits. Well, that's all I have for this week's Monday Memo. See you next week.